Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, I know, but I'm back nonetheless, and I'm here to give you guys more free value. Now, I'm not even joking. This is literally the 10th time I'm trying to record this video because my phone keeps ringing. People keep trying to call me, so I've turned my phone on silent, put it on flight mode, and I'm going to complete this video now. So, I hope that you like that little intro video. I've just bought a new car. Super excited about this. If you can guess what it is, in the comments. Anybody who gets it right, I'll do some sort of giveaway for you. But you've got to be in my Discord. Join the free Discord. The link's in the description. I'll go and I'll figure out some sort of giveaway that I'm going to do. And I'll give you a clue. The engine is a 3-litre twin turbo flat six. That's all I'm giving you. It's a massive clue. See if you can work it out. If anybody gets it right, I'll do some giveaway. Anyway, in our Discord, it's me and my mate in there. We are throwing our analysis in there for the markets every single day, like clockwork. We're there. Today is Monday, and I shared my GU analysis. Oh, this is my EU analysis. Don't worry about that. I shared what I wanted to see on GU for me to get involved in sales. This is what I wanted to see during the London session. I posted this and price fulfilled our expectations. We're yet to take the low, but I do believe that we are going to come and take this low. Price gave us 40 pips pretty much so far. So, it's filling out expectations. When we take this low is when target will be completely met. But yeah, we're doing this daily. We're calling the market. So make sure you get into our Discord. And I also dropped this channel today. I created this channel today. I'm going to be giving you guys some free signals. All my trades are 1 to 5 RR, so I either take profit at 5R or I take a loss, and that's absolutely okay. I know my data. I've got all of my stats that I've been recording for the past 2 years. Excuse me. I journal every single one of my trades, and have been for the past 2 years or so. These are my running stats. Yes, it's missing some information, but it's not too important information. I do everything manually, so I do need to, go through and just input all this information. I do have everything here. My 2022 GU data, every single trade that I took on GU in 2022, as you can see that, and also in 2023. All the months, also NZD USD 2023. So currently on this, actually, I've had no trades on NU this month, and we're 20 days into the month. But you can see that I absolutely record everything that I take, EU2, and EU 2023 there. So, I know my strategy like the back of my hand. I know my statistics. So, I'm happy to take 5R or a loss. Now let's get into the juicy stuff. So let's go on to GU and I'll just tell you guys the rules. So rule number 1 is you want to wait for run on liquidity to create new structure. Now this has to be external structure, and I'll tell you what I mean by that in a moment. Number 2 is draw fib / GAN and denote 30% levels. You only want to be trading from the top or bottom 30% of the range. This is what gives me my very decent strike rate and allows me to hold for 1 to 5s. Number 3 is wait for price to hit 15M OB during kill zone. Very important point. Price must hit the order block point of interest during a kill zone. Your entry must come between 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York local time, or 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. New York local time. And 4 is wait for 15M rejection from OB. 5, enter and cover candle high / low TP at 5R. So very, very simple strategy. It's taken me about 12 months of trading and refining, and to be able to simplify my strategy down to these very simple rules. Trading, oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Trading needs to be simple. You need to make trading as simple as possible, and you need to make it as mechanical as possible. If this, then that. And this is what we have exactly here. So let's get into some price charts. Now, as you can see here on GU, between the 14th of August and 18th of August, lovely bit of price action actually. We have this massive, massive run on sell side liquidity, as you can see here, and it happens during kill zone, and we go on to take the 15M structural high, as we can see here. So we've taken sell side. So now we're more likely, we've taken sell side and we've displaced back up. So this is a very aggressive sell off and push back up, right? So now we can reasonably probabilistically assume, after we get this 15M structural shift, that we are going to be hunting buy side liquidity from this point on. So if we remember our rules, it's said to draw our range, right? Our external structural range. We don't care about our internal structural ranges, which is, all of this stuff that happens before the break of structure, if it is not contained within or touching the lower third or higher third if you're selling. In this instance, we're buying, so we're only interested in the lower third. So let's follow these ranges on and see if we get a trade. So we take out this high here, then we don't get a trade. But then look, we take sell side here, so we run liquidity, and then we give a lovely break in structure again to the upside. So what do? We draw on our structural range, which is this to this, and we denote our order block / POIs in the lower third. And in this instance, we just have this rather large wick, but we're not too interested here. Why? Because of the timing. It comes during Asia, and we're not really too concerned with that. Yes, sometimes they play out, but from my data, from my journal, Asia typically does not have a strong win rate for me to consider taking these trades. So we move on, and notice here we have sell side liquidity taken again here before obviously a break in structure again. So now what do? Follow the process, very mechanical. We draw on our structural range and we denote our POIs, order blocks, in the lower third of the range, and normally you only get about 2. So I would select this wick here below these equal lows, and I'd also select this wick. Why? Because wicks almost always give reactions, especially if you're trading with the trend. And also, if you notice, this wick mitigates this 15M order block, which is formed in a time that we don't really care about. So yeah, that's that. And look, when price hits during London kill zone, right on the end of London kill zone. So what you can either do is you can either split risk between this POI and this POI. You can either take full risk on both of them, or you can wait for a reaction and get involved after you've seen some sort of aggressive reaction away from your area. And of course, we do want some liquidity to target, which we do have these relative equal highs stacked here to give us buy side liquidity. Now, as you can see here, during London session, like I mentioned previously, right on the end, 5 a.m. New York local time, we do get this very significant reaction and candle close on the 15-minute time frame. So you can very easily take a buy there, just covering the candle low. You can cover obviously the POI if you would like, but seeing as this candle did mitigate exactly to the EQ of this wick, I would be happy to reasonably assume that it wouldn't need to come for a deeper retracement in. So I'd be happy to just cover the candle low there, giving you, roughly an 8 pip stop loss, and then just targeting 1 to 5, which is easily achieved here. You can see again, we do have more buy side liquidity stacked here, and this trade completes 5R in about an hour and 30 minutes. And if you did want to hold to that swing high, you could do that for a nice 7R. So that's the video, guys. Make sure you sub to the channel, jump in my Discord, and be ready and waiting for the next video.